Hi everyone, I wanted to just do a short video explaining how to embed videos into discussion boards. The reason why embedding videos is kind of the best option is because then when your classmates go to watch your discussion boards, they do not have to download anything to their computer. Instead, they can just hit play and watch it right from Canvas. So the way that you embed is that you go right here. So let's say I hit reply, I go right here to insert or edit media, click on that, I put the link into my video. I like mine at 100% and 560p, but that doesn't really matter. You can do it however you want. And then I'm going to hit OK. And now, as you can see, my video has embedded into Canvas. The other thing is when you go to do your PowerPoint slides, what I would suggest that you do, and again, this is not a requirement, it's just a suggestion, is that you save your PowerPoint slide as a PDF, and then you embed the image. So the easiest way to do this is to go to click on Canvas, and then you say, you can say My Files, and then you say upload files. So let's say, let me see if I have one that I can use as an example. I have too much stuff on my desktop. But let me see really quickly. Okay, this, I don't know what this is actually a picture of, but we'll see. Oh, it's a screenshot of an outfit. That won't work. Okay, well, anyways, you will do that and the image will embed into this area itself.